Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Najwa Handanska. Today, I would like to present a research article entitled The Effect of Simulation Based on Cognitive Learning Strategy on Students' Chemistry Literacy and Learning Achievement. So, this study discussed the implementation of a simulation based on cognitive learning strategy known as MLSPDCA in senior high school chemistry learning. The topic is highly important because many students still face difficulty in understanding chemistry concepts and applying them in real life situations. As a result, students' chemistry literacy and academic achievement often remain low. Therefore, this study becomes significant in understanding how metacognitive learning strategies can help students become more active, effective, and independent during the learning process. Regarding the research and the purpose of this study was to investigate the effect of simulation-based metacognitive learning strategy on students' chemistry literacy and learning achievements. The research intended to compare the effectiveness of MLSPDCA with the expository learning strategy or ELS. Furthermore, the study attempts to examine whether the implementation of MLSPDCA could significantly improve students' outcomes, students' understanding, and learning outcomes in learning subjects. Next, we will discuss the research methodology. The research implied a pretest post-test control group designed in this study. The participants consist of two classes of 10th grade natural science students from a senior high school in Pasuruan, Indonesia. So, one class was taught using the generalization-based metacognitive learning strategy or MLSPDCA, while the other class was taught using the expository learning strategy. The MLSPDCA strategy consists of four learning stages: preparing, doing, checking, and assessing and following up. To collect the data, the research used pretest and post-test to measure students' chemistry literacy and learning achievements. The obtained data were then analyzed using a GAIN score, meant Watney U-test, and independent sample test. The findings revealed that the implementation of MLSPDCA significantly improved students' chemistry literacy and learning achievements. For the first, the average GAIN score of chemistry literacy in the MLSPDCA class reached 54%, which was categorized as medium. Meanwhile, the ELS class obtained an average score of categorized of 38%, also categorized as medium. For the second, the average GAIN score of learning achievement in the MLSPDCA class was 56%, while the ELS class achieved 40%. These findings indicate that students who were taught using MLSPDCA demonstrated better improvements compared to students who learned through the expository learning strategy. Moreover, the statistical analysis using Watney U and independent simple test showed that improvement in the MLSPDCA class was significantly higher than in live ELS class. The strategy successfully encouraged students to become more critical, reflective, and independent learners throughout the learning process. So, for the conclusions, the study suggests that simulation-based metacognitive learning strategy, or MLSTDCA, is more effective than the expository learning strategy in improving students' chemistry literacy and learning achievements. And based on the findings, the implementation of metacognitive learning activities allows students to mentor, evaluate, and improve their own understanding more effectively. So, therefore, MLSTDCA can be constituted an innovative and effective learning strategy for chemistry education in senior high school. Okay. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.